Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. This is Shagufta and welcome my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how can you apply background color, text color and all types of heading in your web page of HTML. So before we start my class, firstly you have to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video. So are you ready? Let's start. Okay. For apply BG color, firstly you will write HTML head, title, heading and pick, and I have already told you have to close command who will have open, and firstly close command who will near from the text. ठीक है जी, जो टेक्स्ट से करीब होगी वो कमांड सबसे पहले क्लोज होगी, स्लैश टाइटल स्लैश हेड कर दिया. देन आई विल अप्लाई background color in body. You will open body command and write BG color. BG color stand for background color. You will not give space between BG and color. BG color is equal who you want to apply in your web page, any of their red, green, blue. I would like to apply wheat. Then text, if you want to apply text color, because by default text color get black, I would like to apply text color blue, so that's why I will write blue. Okay, now I have already told you how can you apply BG color, means background color, and how can you apply text color. So you will write text. Okay, then if you want to apply different size of heading in your web page, so you will write heading 1 Pakistan slash heading 1. Instead of Pakistan you can write any text who you want to apply as a heading 1. Okay, heading 2 will be small rather than heading 1, and then you will write text. Heading 3 will be small rather than heading 2. Heading 4, okay, heading 1 first heading, and heading 6 will be last heading of your web page. Not available heading 7. Okay, same as it is, you will write heading 5. You have to close command from slash and then heading 6. Then you will save 5, save as, select location and write name, and after write name you will write dot HTML and save. I will not save because I have already saved. Now I want to show this file result. Okay, you can see the color has been changed of text color and background color. Okay, okay, same as it is, you will apply heading 4. Heading 4 will be small rather than heading 3. So all size available here. Heading 1 is a large size and heading 6 is a small size. So you will close command. After apply these commands you will close body and then HTML. Then you will save file, save as, write file name, and obviously you will write dot HTML. I have already told you, if you want to save notepad file on Internet Explorer, so you have to write after name dot HTML. Okay, then I would like to see the result. You can see result. Heading color has been changed and background color also changed, and text color also changed, and heading size have applied. Now I am going to teach you more HTML and HTML5 classes, and I will also teach you how can you make full web page or full website on HTML5. So don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Remember me in your prayer. Allah Hafiz.